SIPA can play I think, a very unique role as the interdisciplinary hub of policy research and engagement at Columbia University to bring scholars across disciplines as well as practitioners, experts, policymakers, technologists together to think through these very complex problems and come up with approaches and solutions that are policy relevant and deeply informed by analysis that is much broader than any national perspective, but really is comparative, data-driven, but also sensitive to values and views across jurisdictions on issues that are very domestic and around which there are strong and different convictions. I think ours is an unusual convening and analytical capacity.